Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, as you could see that all of these are very beautiful, stylish and trendy designs. Now let me talk about where you can use these patterns. You can use these very beautiful patterns of neckline embroidery for making your bot neck dresses, crew neck shirts, and different type of V-shape, V-cut, square shape, or U-shaped dresses specifically designed for neckline designs. And even you can also embroider these very beautiful patterns onto your blouse, onto your sari blouse, onto your lehenga blouse, onto your any type of yoke or maxi blouse. That would go absolutely fine. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my videos, and don't forget to leave comments, and in the comment section let us know what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Guys, as you could see that these are very beautiful, classic, stylish, elegant hand embroidered designs for winter dresses, absolutely favorable, and the beauty and creativity of these designs make them more elegant, that they are very simple, easy. More of the designs are totally based on 1 to 2 hand embroidery stitches, which make them absolutely favorable for hand embroidery beginners. The beauty and creativity of these patterns make them more attractive by being bidimensional. That is, these hand embroidery patterns could be equally used for machine embroidery, computer embroidery, or digital embroidery. So different perspectives of embroidery and usage of these patterns have been discussed and shared with you in this video. And I would recommend you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, and beautiful ideas. On my channel, on daily basis, I try my best to share creativity and beautiful design ideas of hand embroidery. And the basic purpose and intent of making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share creativity. We never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing design ideas is to give a platform, more opinionated area specifically for the beginners, for the likers, for the lovers, for the persons who take interest in hand embroidery art and love the art of handwork and embroidery. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care.